Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. This is me, Qasim Saeed. Today, today our topic, and that is social media. When I talk about social media, many things comes in your mind. So let's consider an imaginary scenario. You wake up one day and realize that all social media platforms are non-functional that day. Bewildered, you check your phone and open the Instagram app. It shows a blank white screen. You try opening facebook.com on your browser and nothing happens. Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest are down too. People around you cannot communicate with one another like they used to. The younger population that grew up with the internet is losing their minds. The most followed influencers are unable to reach their audience. Marketing teams are struggling to find a replacement for their online ads. All in all, chaos would ensue and the market would collapse, and it would only take one day of no social media to cause such hue and cry. A little over a decade ago, social media was only getting started. Today, we cannot live without it. Am I right? Social media platforms cannot be classified as good or bad. What makes them helpful or harmful is your usage of them. Social media and technology offers us greater convenience and connectivity. Let's we talk about pros and cons or advantages and disadvantages of social media. First of all, I would like to discuss about the pros of social media. The first one is faster connectivity. You can connect with anyone located anywhere on the globe by clicking a few buttons. To make that better, you don't even need to or computer or fixed line internet or connection anymore. You can pull out your phone and send a message to both knows and unknowns with one hand while you munch a slice of pizza with the others. If I talk about the second one is that job seekers and opportunities. A decade ago, finding a job required a candidate to check newspaper and hoardings, carry a file folder to an office, and wait in queue for an interview. Today, you can apply for a prestigious job right at your desk. If that wasn't enough, recruiters themselves reach out to you if you have influential presence on LinkedIn. If I talk about the third one is having fun. Spending time on social media helps you enjoy in little ways. You can share an update on your wall, tag your friends to capture their attention, crack a joke over your sibling's picture, and whatnot. Are all these activities productive? Not quite. But are they fun? For sure. If I talk about the cons of social media, so first one is causes mental fatigue. Using social media between tedious work hours appears to provide solace, but it only exhausts your mind even further. When you're scrolling through your new feeds, you make many little decisions without your knowledge. Your brain runs on alert mode with thoughts like, should I click on this post? Does this picture deserve a like? What is suitable reply to this comment? All those decisions consume mental energy. As a result, if you use social media during your breaks, assume it will help you de-stress. You have got it wrong. If I talk about the missing out opportunities to be with family, the second one point. When most of our working hours are spent online, we lose the chance to be with our families for much needed bonding time. If you are a parent to young kids, we miss critical milestones by being so immune in social media. If I talk about the third one, but not least, addiction. All social media platforms have a large team whose only focus is to ensure users like you and me repeatedly use the platform. Therefore, once you engage on one such website or app, you feel the urge to come back again and again. Have you noticed yourself opening your social media newsfeed and scrolling through for no reason? That's what. Instagram and Facebook can do you too. In the last, I would like to conclude my topic with these emphasizing words. Social media is a really convenient and important communicate network for all the people nowadays. Social media changed our life so much. Our life became more convenient. Social media is a very useful to for us in 21st century. It could help us to move our life. However, we have to aware of how we use them. If we could use the social media smartly, having social media will become a good change for us. I think it's enough for this time. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.